is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Hey y'all. Y'all, we're gonna use a white flocked base. So let's start with just kind of fluffing this out a little bit. All right, y'all, what I'm gonna start with is a whole bunch of scrap mesh. So I've got this one, got these two. Y'all, a bunch of stuff that's already open. Y'all, we're gonna start with finding a clean edge. Now we're gonna cut these about 20 inches. Y'all, we're also gonna throw some 21" in there. All right. Y'all, we're gonna cut these about 12 inches. Gonna grab one of our little bundles. And I'm gonna curl the edges in just a little bit and give it a nice little ruffle. I'm gonna turn it upside down and add these around. All right, so I'm gonna go around the outside edge first, and I'm gonna put these ruffles in just to where the tips of the ruffles are touching each other. All right, now I'm gonna take the 21". I'm going to curl it up. Y'all, and on this one, all I'm gonna do is fold it over into a little Jesus fish. And then I'm gonna wrap those right in every once in a while. Right, so we get a little loop and two little tails. All right. So let me show you from the side so you guys can see how we have all the colors mixed in there. I want to add the hearts next because they're going to cover a lot of this grapevine, and then we can just fill in with mesh around it. Y'all, now on the back side of this, I'm going to use floral wire. So on the back of it, like threaded through the fabric, is a wire. So I just attached my wire to that wire. All right. So I want to make sure that when I angle this on here, that I leave enough space down here to decorate, and I leave enough, just enough up here to be able to add in a little bit of stuff. And I'm just wrapping that wire right around the base. All right, we're gonna keep adding these in here. Y'all, let's make a bow. We need a good bow. Like, nice, full, fill in some gaps. Y'all, we're going to start with a pretty long tail. We're going to give it a good little pinch. Also, if you're not in the creative coaching group, this is the view that we have when we design. Evidently, Mevo did an update last night, and the other two aren't quite as updated, and was having a few problems. All right, so we're going to go about 8 inches. All right, so normally we do our long tail here, long tail here. This time, all of our long tails are going to be going this way. Yeah, this ribbon we've had for probably close to a month now. So I would guess it's probably sold out, but I bet if you just go to Google and type it in, I bet you someone that sells supplies has it out there. The plaid ribbon was from Deco Exchange, but I don't know if it's still in stock. You would definitely have to check the website on that one. So we got to this point. We're going to find a pipe cleaner. All right, we're going to take it. We're going to fold it in half. All right, y'all, look how pretty that is. All right, so I'm just going to work my pipe cleaner and get this tied in. All right, y'all, and then I'm going to pull that little bit of extra pipe cleaner and I'm going to wrap it around the outside. All right, y'all, let's get our little bow cleaned up a little bit. Y'all, now I need to get a little bit of this ribbon all the way around. All right, now on this base, I'm gonna do 12-inch tails because the little pines on it aren't that long. Y'all, I'm just gonna cut, I don't know, 6 of all of them. Y'all, I'm gonna do 6 on a whole bunch. So they're 12 inches total. Y'all, now I'm just gonna randomly grab ribbon. Not even the same sets all the time. And I'm gonna start placing them around. Maybe. Here we go. All right, so we're just gonna start adding those all around. So I'm just looking for any twist ties that I can grab and put a ribbon tail in. Y'all, now I want to start adding some extras to it. All right, so I'm thinking triangle pattern. This is what we teach, right? You want to close this triangle off. So I want to get something out over here. All right, so I also wanted to, there's not a lot of pink. So I, of course, want to throw in some pink. You guys know 60919 is going to go in there. All right, so in this case, I want to get the 60919 spread out nice and far because I want it to stay in the mesh, right? All right, I'm going to start gluing some of those pieces in. Y'all, this wreath's just about done. All right, y'all, I'll get some photos of this one so you guys can see it.